Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. We're going to make a delicious sausage wrap which you'll love. We begin by adding barbecue sauce on the wrap, your favorite pork or beef sausage, I'm using pork, 2 nice bacon strips, some Bull Redhorn peppers which I cooked on the barbecue and they add an incredible sweet and barbecue taste. Small dill pickles which gives this wrap an incredible crunch and delicious flavor. Around a handful of Gouda or Mozzarella grated cheese, let's add some tomatoes now. And some sliced up iceberg lettuce. Now the hard part comes, wrapping this whole thing up. I'm not the greatest wrapper, but I'll do my best. When I make wraps, I always use aluminum foil. And the reason is because it keeps the wrap nice and tight. And the second reason is because when it's a warm wrap, it'll keep it nice and warm until the last bite. And there you have it, a delicious sausage wrap, which I hope you love. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.